Hi guys, today I have a digital timer from Comforday. It's a power plug. Let's have a look inside the box. What do we have here? So inside the box there is two plugs with the UK socket. So as you can see at the back, the specifications. It has a large LCD display. The buttons looks fine. Build quality is acceptable. And inside the box, manual. So here's an instruction manual. You can pause the video if you'd like to read the manual before you buy it, in case you decide to buy it. Specifications. You can have more info on the link below. There is two versions. One is UK plug, and the other one is European socket as well. So I will leave the links below if you'd like to buy it from Amazon. Let's test it now. Okay, first thing you need to do after you remove it from the box, you need to peel off the protective film from the unity, and it has an internal battery. So in order to have it working again, you need to plug in to the main. So if you plug in here, so now you can see the other numbers or the digits on the screen. Right, so the clock, it's 0 because you need to set up the clock. So in order to set up the clock, you need to hold function, and you can travel, you can select different functions by pressing down. You need to press down or up, but you need to keep holding function. Okay, so once clock is blinking, you click set. Now the hour is blinking, so you can select the time. Set again for minutes, and if you press set again, you choose which day of the week. Okay, then set again, it comes back to the hour, but once you finish, press OK. So now the clock is working. I'm going to show you how to setting up the daily timer. So press and hold function, go down until you see the daily on the screen, and release function, and daily will be blinking like that. Okay, so once again, release, and it's blinking. You can choose up or down to switch from on or off. On or off. Okay, so on, let's say I want at 2 o'clock. So press set and then choose 2, set again. You can change the minutes, but if you don't want it, press set, press OK once it's done. So for on and daily, every every day at 2 o'clock you switch on. So if you go back again, press and hold function. If you go daily on, it's at 2 o'clock, and if you press down at 3 o'clock will be off. If you want to change the time to go off, press set, and same thing again. Say 4 o'clock, set for minutes, and once it's done, press OK. And function if you want to go back to the clock. Seven days or 24 hours weekly timer. So once again, press and hold function and go to timer. So here, number 1, you can set up up to 10 programs. So if you go up, you can select from 1 to 10. So it's on, off, on, off, on, off, until the last one is 10. Okay, the first one, same thing. If you want to change the time to go on, press set, change the time, set again. You can change the minutes, and then okay. From Monday to Friday at 5:10 it goes on. If you want to go off at certain time, so you can press set. Let's say it goes off at 6 6:10. Okay, 1 hour later, and you can press set again if you want to change the days of the week. So if you go up or down, it depends which day. You have different settings, so you can choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, and press OK. If you want a different program, let's say number 2, same thing, set, up or down to change hours, set again for minutes, and set again the days of the week. Once it's done, press OK, and it's all set. So this is for time for weekly or 24 hours a week setups. Now I'm going to demonstrate the countdown function. So in order to these lights stay on for 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to do it. So press and hold function, go to the countdown, release function, press set. So if you want to change, from 1 hour or whatever, minutes, hours you want to do. And if you want a minutes, just choose minutes, how many minutes. I'm going to choose 1 minute for the light to stay on. So once it's done, press OK, and once you're ready, press OK again. So it will count down 1 minute, and once the minutes runs down, the lights goes off. So that means that means the light will stay on for this period. Right. So it's done. So if you like to use as a switch, so you can press on and off from here. So just make sure you go back to clock to do that. So you can press on and off. Another cool stuff is you can use as random switching. In case if you go traveling or are you going out, if you want to use those TV simulators or any lighting, to make that use that someone is at home, so you press and hold function and choose random, and once that, you can just press OK, and it randomly go on and off at a certain time. If you like to reset all the programs and all the settings, what you need to do is press function and then press reset for 5 seconds, and all should go back to 0, all the programs. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. If you'd like, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you.